Hello guys, welcome once again to How to Wisdom, and today we're continuing our series of how to make money on YouTube without necessarily recording yourself and without necessarily recording with a camera. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button. And today we'll see that from Social Blade you can see that this guy is actually making millions, making a lot of money, making thousands from every view every single month. Accumulatively, he's making millions yearly from his channel. And what does it do? We'll learn that in our next video. I'll show you the nitty-gritty of what he does to get as much as this without doing so little thing. So you can also get inspired from this and start your own YouTube channel as well and start making money and have a very valuable passive income. Take care.